Chinu and Meenu go to see the Taj Mahal. Grandma! Grandma! We have some great news for you. Our school is taking us on a trip to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Can Meenu and I go for the trip, Grandma? Please, please.
Oh, Grandma, even I want to go for the trip to Agra. Please.
Yes, children, you can go. It is a beautiful place and the Taj Mahal is a wonderful monument. People from all over the world come to see the Taj Mahal. You must also see it.
Oh, thank you, Grandma. Sheila, Sahil and many of our friends are also coming with us. It is going to be lots of fun.
Children, do you know who built the Taj Mahal?
I know, Grandma. Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. He built it in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal.
That's right, Chinu. It was built hundreds of years ago.
Hundreds of years? I can't even imagine that, Grandma. Were things made 100 years back?
100 years? Things were made thousands of years back, like the caves in Ajanta and Ellora. There are beautiful paintings in such caves.
More than 1,000 years back? Oh my God! Grandma, your father is 100 years old. So those caves are almost 10 great-grandfathers old. Ooh, that's many years.
That's right, children. How are you going to Agra?
We are going by bus, Grandma. There are 200 children going to Agra. 40 children can sit in each bus.
Stop, Meenu. I will tell you how many buses you need in all. There are 200 children in all. 40 children can sit in each bus. So you need 200 divided by 40, which is equal to 5. Or you can also do it like this. 40 into 5 equals 200. So, you need 5 buses to take 200 children. Meenu, I don't need a seat in the bus. I can fly or sit on your lap.
Buzz, tell me this now. If 50 children can sit in a bus, how many buses do we need?
I know, I will tell you. It is 200 divided by 50, which is equal to 4. Or 50 into 4 equal to 200. So, you need only 4 buses now to take 200 children if 50 children can sit in each bus.
That's right, Buzz. Come, let's eat fast and sleep now. Tomorrow, we have to leave very early to go to school. Bye, Sahil. Bye, Sheila. Chinu, wake up quickly. Wake up. We have to go to Agra now. Oh, I am up. Agra is going to be lots of fun. Come, let's get ready fast. Bye, Grandma. Bye, Ma.
Meenu, come. Let's get into the bus. It is a new bus and look, I have held the window seat for you.
Thank you, Buzz. Chinu, come sit next to me.
Our bus has stopped. Why?
Buzz, the driver is getting diesel filled into the bus. The bus needs diesel to run. Look, diesel costs rupees 42 a litre. The driver is filling 100 litres. So he has to pay 42 into 100, which is equal to
4,200 rupees.
he has to pay
4,200 rupees.
Has he filled diesel? I looked at my watch. It took 10 minutes to get diesel filled in our bus. Oh, look! 2 more of our buses have also stopped behind us to fill diesel.
Oh, yes, that's right. We have to wait for them to fill diesel. It took 10 minutes to fill diesel into one bus. 2 more buses have to get diesel filled. So we have to wait for 20 more minutes here. 20 more minutes? It is 10:30 now. We have to wait for 20 more minutes. So we have to wait till 10:50. How long will it take us to reach Agra? Let me go and ask our teacher. What did she say? She said it is going to take another 1 hour and 30 minutes. It is 10:30 now. We will leave this place at 10:50. It will take us 1 hour and 30 minutes from then to reach Agra. 1 hour means 11:50. Then I have to add 30 minutes to it. I have to add 30 minutes to 11:50. It is 12:20.
How, Chinu?
If you add 10 minutes to 11:50, it becomes 12 o'clock. This is because 60 minutes make 1 hour. After that, 20 minutes are left. So it is 12:20. We will reach Agra by 12:20.
I am hungry, Meenu. Can I go drink some honey and come?
No, Buzz. The bus will go away by then. Our teacher has brought some fruits and biscuits for all of us. Look, she is distributing them. You can also have some.
Meenu, she is giving 3 biscuits, 1 banana and 1 apple to each child. How many fruits does she have? How many biscuits does she have? I can't do it.
I will tell you, Buzz. There are 40 children in this bus. If she is giving 1 banana to each child, then she has 40 bananas. She is also giving 1 apple to each child. So, she has 40 apples also. Then she is giving 3 biscuits to each child. So she has 40 into 3, which is equal to 120. She has 120 biscuits.
Oh, that is a lot of biscuits. Look, 5 children are not having biscuits. So, she will have some biscuits left with her.
We can tell how many biscuits are left with her. 5 children did not eat biscuits. She has 3 biscuits for each child. So it is 5 into 3, 15. 15 biscuits. She has 15 biscuits left with her. Hey, the bus has started moving.
Let's all play Antakshari. It's lots of fun.
We will play Antakshari later, Buzz. Let's play a number game. I will ask you a puzzle. You have to answer. Tell me the number that comes exactly between 10 and 30.
20.
Now, tell me the number that comes exactly between 50 and 100.
It is 75.
That's right, Chinu. I will give you 3 numbers. Can you make different numbers with that? 3, 4, 6.
346.
That's easy, Buzz. 436.
634.
364. 643.
Now I know 463.
That's right. Now tell me this. A snail is climbing up a small slope. It takes 1 minute to climb up 2 centimeters. Can you tell me how long will it take to climb 4 centimeters?
I know. It will take 2 minutes to climb up 4 centimeters.
That's right, Meenu.
Oh, Meenu, but how did you do that? I will tell you, Buzz. The snail takes 1 minute to climb 2 centimeters. Now it has to climb 4 centimeters. It will take 1 more minute to do that. So it will take 2 minutes to climb 4 centimeters. Oh, Meenu, you are very smart. This game is more interesting than Antakshari. Teacher, will you ask us more puzzles?
Okay, tell me this now. Suppose I give 2 toffees to each one of you in the bus and I have 5 more left with me. How many toffees do I have?
I know the answer. You had 85 toffees with you.
Chinu, how is it 85?
Look, there are 40 children in the bus. If our teacher gave 2 toffees to each one of us, she has 40 into 2, which is equal to 80 toffees. She has 5 toffees left with her. So it is 80 plus 5, which is equal to 85. 85 toffees.
But, Chinu, even I want a toffee. You did not give me one.
Buzz. But the teacher did not give toffees to anyone. It was just a puzzle.
Oh, look, so much of water. We are going on a different road.
Buzz, don't go outside the window. Come inside quickly. You will fall into the water. This is the Yamuna River. It is not a different road. We are going over a bridge. See, we have to cross the river. So the bus has to go over the bridge.
This bridge is very, very long.
Yes, the bridge is about 500 meters long.
I know, that is half a kilometer.
Oh my God! That's a long bridge. Our bus is about 10 meters long. So 50 such buses can stand in a line on this bridge. There is lots of water in the river also. Is it going to touch the bridge?
It is not going to touch the bridge. It is about 20 meters below the bridge. It is rainy season now. That is why there is lots of water in the river. But during other seasons, the water level is almost 50 meters below the bridge.
It is 20 meters below the bridge now. In other seasons, if it is 50 meters below the bridge, then the water level goes down by 30 meters.
How, Meenu?
It is very easy, Buzz. It is 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So the water level drops by 30 meters. Oh, look! I can see the Taj Mahal. We are in Agra. The Taj Mahal is so white and beautiful. Come, let's get out of the bus. Meenu, come fast. Let's go see the Taj Mahal. Friends, have you been on any trip? Have you seen a bridge? Do you know how long it is? Okay, friends, I am going to see the Taj Mahal now. Buzz has to find out the number that comes exactly in between two numbers. He does not know how to do it. Will you give the answer loudly and help Buzz? 10 and 30. $20. 60 and 80. 70. 15 and 25. 20. 45 and 55. 50. 50 and 100. 100 75. 12 and 16. 14. 32 and 38. 35. Shall we help Butterfly? What is 20 minutes more than 5:30? 5:30 plus 20 minutes is equal to 5 hours 50 minutes. It is 5:50. What is 30 minutes more than 9:10? 9 hours 10 minutes plus 30 minutes, which is equal to 9 hours 40 minutes. It is 9:40. What is 15 minutes more than 7:25? 7 hours 25 minutes plus 15 minutes, which is 7 hours 40 minutes. It is 7:40. What is 45 minutes more than 6 o'clock? 6 hours plus 45 minutes is equal to 6 hours 45 minutes. It is 6:45. What is 30 minutes more than 3:30? We have to remember that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 3 hours 30 minutes plus 30 minutes is equal to 4 hours. It is 4 o'clock. Let us help Buzz pick up the correct answer. Each compartment of a train can carry 72 passengers. How many passengers can 3 compartments carry? 150, 250, 350 or 216. A balloon man has 80 balloons. If he gives 4 balloons each to 15 children, how many balloons are left with him? 30, 20, 8 or 10 20. Jhumpa gave 3 flowers each to 4 of her friends. She had 5 more flowers left with her. How many flowers did she have in all? 10, 5, 17 or 20? "17. 80 people are going to the town for a fair in bullock carts. Each bullock cart can carry 10 people. How many bullock carts do they need? 7, 10, 15 or 8? Which pair of numbers will add to make more than 600? 137 and 221, or 99 and 399, or 150 and 327, or 348 and 260. and 48 and 260. Meenu, Sheenu and their friends go to a fair. The rate list for the different rides was put up. Giant wheel, 20 rupees, 10 minutes. Merry-go-round, 15 rupees, 8 minutes. Camel ride, 30 rupees, 25 minutes. Elephant ride, 50 rupees, 30 minutes. Meenu and Sheenu first went in the giant wheel ride and then for a camel ride. How much time did they spend for both the rides? 10 minutes plus 25 minutes, which is equal to 35 minutes. They spent 35 minutes for both the rides. How much money did they spend for both the rides? 20 rupees into 2, which is equal to 40. They spent 40 rupees for the giant wheel ride. 30 rupees into 2, which is equal to 60. They spent 60 rupees for the camel ride. 40 rupees plus 60 rupees, which is equal to 100 rupees. They spent 100 rupees in all for both the rides. Which rides take less than 20 minutes? Giant wheel and merry-go-round take less than 20 minutes. Some friends of Meenu and Cheenu went for a giant wheel ride. They paid 80 rupees in all for the ride. Can you tell how many friends went for the ride? The ticket price of a giant wheel ride is rupees 20. So, 80 divided by 20 is equal to 4. 4 friends went for the giant wheel ride. Which ride can make 2 trips in 50 minutes? One ride on camel takes 25 minutes. 25 plus 25 is equal to 50. So camel can make 2 trips in 50 minutes. Which ride takes 1 hour to make 2 trips? One ride on an elephant takes 30 minutes. 30 plus 30 is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So the elephant takes 1 hour to make 2 trips.